Hare Krishna, Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 1 by Selva Krishna, observing the armies on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Dhritarashtra Yuvacha Dharmashetra Kurukshetra Samveta Yutsava Mavaka Pandava Saiva Kim Akruvata Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? Sanjaya Uvasa Prishva tu Pandavanikam Yudam Duryodhanastada Akaryam Upasangmya Rajavachanam Abravit. Sanjaya said, O king, after looking over the army arranged in the military formation by the sons of Pandu, King Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke the following words. Pasyetam Pandu Putranam Acharya Mahit Matim Kamam Yudam Draupada Putrena Tava Shishena Dhimata. O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent discipline, the son of Drupada. Atra Sura Mavesasa Bhimarjuna Samayudi Yudano Viratas Drupadas Maharata. Here in this army are many heroic bowmen, equal in fighting to Bhima and Arjuna, great fighters like Yudana, Virada and Draupada. Drishtata Ketu Sikitana Kasirajasya Viryavan Kurujit Kunti Bojasya Saidhyasya Nara Pungava. There are also great heroic powerful fighters like Drishtaketu, Chikitana, Kasiraja, Purujit, Kunti Boja and Saibya. Yada Manyuska Vikranta Yuttamayujaska Viryavan Sau Adru Drupadayas Sarvayeva Maharata. There are also mighty Yuddhamanyu, a very powerful Uttamajiva, the son of Subhadra, and the sons of Draupadi. All these warriors are great chariot fighters. Asmakam tu vistaye Kaniboda Divyotma Nayaka Mama Sainyasya Sam Yanatam Tan Brevite. But for your information, O best of the Brahmanas, let me tell you about the captain who are specially qualified to lead my military force. Bhavan Bhishmaska Karnaska Kripaska Samitam Jaya Ashvatama Vikarnaska Saumadatis Tattevasa. There are personalities like you, Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, Ashwadama, Vikarna, the sons of Somadatta called Burishrava, who are always victorious in battle. Anyesha Bhava Sura Madhatre Tyaktya Jivata Nana Shastra Praharna Sarve Yuddha Visarada. There are many other heroes who are prepared to lay down their lives for my sake. All of them are well equipped with different kinds of weapons and all are experienced in military science. Aparyatam tad asmakam balam bhishma virakshitam paryaptam vidam yatasam balam bhima virakshitam. Our strength is immeasurable and we are perfectly protected by grandfather Bhishma, whereas the strength of Pandavas, carefully protected by Bhima, is limited. Ayanesu sa sarvesu yata bhagyam avastitaha Bhishmam yeva birakshantu bhavata sarva yeva hi. All of you must now give full support to grandfather Bhishma as you stand at your respective strategic point of entrance into the flanks of the army. Tasya sanjanam harsham kuru vrida pitamaha simmanadam vinodayagaga sangam dadumu pratapavan. Then Bhishma, the great valiant grand desire of the Kuru dynasty, the grandfather of the fighters, blew his conch shell very loudly, making a sound like a roar of a lion, giving Duryodhana joy. Tata sankaske mejaske vandavanaka gumukakaha sahasaiva hanyate sahasabdas tumulo bhavat. After that, the conch shell, drums, bugles, trumpets and horns were all suddenly sounded, and the combined sound was tumultuous. Tatya saviter hayaveyukta mahati sasyandyane sthitato madavaha pandavas kaiva divya sankahu pradadatmatuhu. On the other side, both Lord Krishna and Arjuna, stationed on the great chariot drawn by white horses, sounded the transcendental conch shells. Manchajanyam Rishikeso Devadattam Dhananjaya Poundram Dadmayo Mahasangam Dhimagarma Rikodara. Lord Krishna blew his conch shell called Panchajanya. Arjuna blew the Devadatta, and Bhima, the voracious eater and performer of Heraclean toss, blew his terrific conch shell called Poundra. Ananta Vijayam Rajakunti Putro Vijishtirah Nakula Sabadevasya Sausa Mani Pushpago Kashyasya Param Suhasah Sikindiga Maharata Drishchatyudmano Virataska Satyakis Kapararajarajitaha Draupado Draupadadeyasya Sarvasa Prithvi Patesau Vadrararasya Mahabahau Sangha Dadumuhu Pratak. King Yudhishthira, the son of Kunti, blew his conch shell. The Ananta Vijaya, Nakula and Sahadeva blew the Sugasa and Mani Pushpaka. The great archer, the king of Kasi, the great fighter, Sikandi, Drishtadyumna, Virada, the unquenchable Satyaki, Draupadi, the son of Draupada, the son of Draupadi, and the others, O king, such as the mighty armed son of Subhadra, all blew their respective conch shells. Shagoso Dartrarastranam Hridayani Yadarya Nabaska Prithvivim Saichaiva Tumalu Dyanunadayan. The blowing of these different conch shells became uproarious, vibrating both in the sky and on the earth. It shattered the hearts of the sons of Dhritarashtra. Atavya Vastitan Dristva Dharartarashtraan Kapi Dvajaha Pravatrehe Shastra Sampate Danur Udmayo Mandavaha Kesham Tada Vyakyam Idam Aha Mahipate. At the time, Arjuna, the son of Pandu, seated in the chariot bearing the flag marked with Hanuman, took up his bow and prepared to shoot his arrows. After looking at the sons of Dhritarashtra drawn in military array, Arjuna then spoke to Lord Krishna these words. Arjuna Uvasa Senayur Ubayur Madhyarat Ratam Satapaye Me Shuta Yavad Etan Nirakshe Ham Vidyo Kaman Avastitan Kairmaya Saha Yuddha Vyayam Asmin Rana Samudhyami. Arjuna said, O infallible one, please draw my chariot between the two armies so that I may see those present here, whose desire to fight and with whom I must contend in this great trial of arms. Yochyamanam aveksheham yayatetra samagata Dhritarashtrasya durbuddhir uddhiriya sikesavaha. Let me see those who have come to here to fight, wishing to please the evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra. संजय उवाच एवं युक्ते ऋषिकेशो गुडकेशना भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये stepavitva ratottamam. Sanjaya said, O descendant of Bharata, having thus been addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna drew up with a fine chariot in the midst of the armies of the both parties. Bhishma Drona Paramuktaha Sarvesham Cha Mahisisastam Vasa Bharata Partha Pasyattina Pasyattan Samavetan Kurunit iti. In the presence of Bhishma, Drona and all other chieftains of the world, the Lord said, just behold Partha, all the Kurus assembled here. Tatra pasyat sitan Partha Pritin Trin Ata Pitamahan Acharyan Matutulan Vyaratran Putran Pautran Sakim Stata Svasuran Surda Saiva Senayor Ubayorapi. There Arjuna could see within the midst of the armies of both parties his father, grandfather, teacher, maternal uncle, brother, son, grandson, friends, and all his fathers-in-law and well-wishers. Tan samikshya sa kaunteya sarvan bandhun avastitan kripaya paraya vistu visidan idam abravit. When the sons of Kunti, Arjuna saw all these different grades of friends and relatives, he became overwhelmed with compassion and spoke thus. Arjuna uvasa drishtavemam svajanam Krishna yuyutsum samupastitam siddhanti mama gadarani mumkumsha parisusyati. Arjuna said, my dear Krishna, seeing my friends and relatives present before me in such a fighting spirit, I feel the limbs of my body quivering and my mouth drying up. Vepatuske sarire me romaharshyaske jayate gagadivam sasram sate hasas sastat chakshaiva paridahayate. My whole body is trembling, my hair is standing on end, my bow Gandhiva is slipping from my hand, and my skin is burning. Mage sanknomi avastatum brahmativa shrami mana nimittani sa pashyami viparidani keshava. I am now unable to stand here any longer. I am forgetting myself and my mind is reeling. I see only the cause of misfortune, O Krishna, killer of Kesi demon. Nacha seriyo nupashyami hatvasha janam ahave na kansheshe vidayam krishnana sa rajyam sukahani sa. I do not see how any good can come from killing my own kinsman in this battle, nor can I, my dear Krishna, desire any subsequent victory, kingdom or happiness. Kim no rajayena govinda kim bojaya jivatena va esam arte kanshitam no rajyam bhogo sukahani sa taime vastita yuddhe pranam dhanani hai acharya pitara putra tatai vasa pitamaha matulaha swasuraha pautraha syalaha sambandadina stata yetanna hantum ichahami natupi madhusudana api trilokya rajasya heto kimnu mahi krite nihyate tarararashtanna ka pritisya janardana. O Govinda, of what avails to us are the kingdom, happiness, or even life itself, when all those from whom we may desire them are now arrayed on this battlefield? O Madhusudana, when teachers, father, son, grandson, maternal uncle, father-in-law, grandson, brother-in-law, and other relatives are ready to give up their life and property and are standing before me, why should I wish to kill them, even though they might otherwise kill me? O maintainer of all living entities, I am not prepared to fight with them, even in exchange of these three worlds, let alone this earth. What pleasure will we derive from killing the sons of Dhritarashtra? Apam ye eva asrayed asman hatvaita atatayana तस्मान्नारः व्यामहन्तुं धृतराष्ट्रं स बन्धवान् सजनं हि कातां हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव. Sin will overcome us if we slay such aggressors. Therefore, it is not proper for us to kill the sons of Dhritarashtra and our friends. What should we gain, O Krishna, husband of the goddess of fortune? And how could we be happy by killing our own kinsmen? यदि अपि यतिना पास्यन्ति लोभोपहता स्थितसाः कुलक्ष्या कृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातत्कां कथं न ज्ञेयम् असमाः बिहेय अपाद असमान् निवर्तितुं कुलकस्य कृतं दोषं प्रपाश्य बीर Janardana. O Janardana, although these men, their hearts were taken by greed, see no fault in killing one's family or quarreling with friends. Why should we, who can see the crime in destroying the family, engage in these acts of sin? Kulachya prasasyanti kuladharma sanatanaha dharmena she kulam krishnam adharmo vivibhavatu. With the destruction of the dynasty, the eternal family tradition is vanquished, and thus the rest of the family becomes involved in irreligion. Adharmama bhavat krishna pradusyanti kulas shriya strisu dustasu varneya jayate varna sankaraha. When irreligion is prominent in the family of Krishna, the women of the family become polluted, and from the degradation of the woman who descended of Vrishni comes unwanted progeny. Shankara Nara Kayeva Kula Nyananam Kulasyesa Patanti Petro He Yesam Lupto Pindodaika. An increase of unwanted population certainly causes hellish life both for the family and those who destroy the family tradition. The ancestors of such corrupt families fall down because the performance for offering them food and water are entirely stopped. Doseryete kulanyana varna sankara karakaye utasadhyayante jati dharmaha kuladharmaska sasvataha. By the evil deeds of those who destroy the family tradition and thus give rise to unwanted children, all kind of community project and family welfare activity are devastated. Utasana kuladharmanam manushyanam da janardana narake niyatam vaso bhavatiti anusushruma. O Krishna, maintainer of the people, have heard by disciplinary succession that those whose family tradition are destroyed dwell always in hell. Ahobata mahatpapam kartum vyavasita vyayam yad raji sukolobena hantum svajanam udyatah. Alas, how strange it is that we are preparing to commit greatly sinful act driven by the desire to enjoy royal happiness. We are intent to kill our own kinsmen. Yadimam apritikaram asastratram sastra Panaye Dhritarashtra Ranehanyustanmi Shemataram Bhaved. Better for me if the sons of Dhritarashtra, weapons in hand, were to be killed unarmed and unresting on the battlefield. Sanjaya Uvasha Evam Vikvarjuna Shankeye Rato Pasta Upavishat Mishridaya Sasaram Kapam Soka Samvignyam Manasah. Sanjay said, Arjuna, having thus spoken on the battlefield, cast aside his bow and arrow and sat down on the chariot, his mind overwhelmed with grief. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita as it is, chapter 1 by Selva Krishna. Observing the armies on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Dhritarashtra Yuvacha Dharmashetra Kurukshetra Samveta Yutsava